Hi, I'm Amelia Jones. What's your name?
Hi Amelia, I'm Asmita Sharma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Asmita. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you today?
I'm fine. How do you like engineering college?
I love it. What about you, Amelia?
It's great. I'm new here, though. Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai. Where are you from, Amelia?
I'm from New York, USA. What's your last name?
My last name is Sharma. Yours is Jones, right?
Yes, it is. How old are you, Asmita?
I'm 20 years old. How old are you, Amelia?
I'm 21. Do you live near the college?
Yes, I do. Do you live on campus?
Yes, I stay in the hostel. Do you like Mumbai?
I love it here. Do you like it?
It's fascinating. What's your favorite place in Mumbai?
Marine Drive. Have you been there, Amelia?
Yes, it's beautiful. Where were you born, Asmita?
I was born in Mumbai. Where were you born?
I was born in New York. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. Do you have any?
I have a sister. What's your favorite hobby?
I love painting. What's yours, Amelia?
I enjoy reading books. Who are your friends here?
I have many friends. Do you have friends here?
Not many yet. Why do you like your friends?
They are supportive. Why do you like reading?
It's relaxing. Do you have a boyfriend, Asmita?
No, I don't. Do you have one, Amelia?
No, I don't either. What's your daily routine like?
I study and paint. What about you, Amelia?
I study and read. Do you like our teachers?
Yes, they are great. Do you like them, Amelia?
Yes, they are very helpful. How is your family?
They are good. How is your family, Amelia?
They are fine, thanks. What vehicle do you use?
I use a bike. What about you, Amelia?
I walk mostly. What's your email address?
It's asmita.sharma@gmail.com. What's yours, Amelia?
amelia.jones@gmail.com. What's your telephone number?
It's 111111111. What's yours, Amelia?
Mine is 222-222-2222. Do you miss your hometown?
Sometimes. Do you miss New York, Amelia?
Yes, sometimes. What's your address here?
I live in Andheri. What's your address, Amelia?
I live in the college hostel. Do you cook?
Yes, sometimes. Do you cook, Amelia?
Not really. What's your favorite food?
I love biryani. What's your favorite, Amelia?
I love pizza. What's your favorite movie?
I love Three Idiots. What's yours, Amelia?
I love Inception. Do you like Bollywood?
Yes, I do. Do you like Hollywood, Amelia?
Yes, I love it. What's your favorite song?
Chaya Chaya. What's yours, Amelia?
Shape of You. Do you like dancing?
Yes, I love it. Do you dance, Amelia?
Yes, sometimes. Do you like sports?
Yes, I love cricket. What about you, Amelia?
I like basketball. What's your future career plan?
I want to be a software engineer. Yours, Amelia?
I want to be a civil engineer. Do you like pranks?
Yes, they are fun. Do you play pranks, Amelia?
Sometimes. Tell me about a childhood prank.
I once hid my friend's shoes. Your turn, Amelia.
I once hid my sister's homework. Do you enjoy college?
Yes, it's exciting. Do you enjoy it, Amelia?
Yes, I do. Do you like festivals?
Yes, Diwali is my favorite. Yours, Amelia?
I love Christmas. What's your favorite season?
I love the monsoon. Yours, Amelia?
I love autumn. Do you like animals?
Yes, I love dogs. Do you have pets, Amelia?
Yes, a cat. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love it. Do you shop often, Amelia?
Sometimes. What's your favorite brand?
I love Zara. Yours, Amelia?
I love H&M. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. Do you travel, Amelia?
Yes, I love exploring. What's your favorite place?
Goa. What's yours, Amelia?
Paris. Do you like reading?
Yes, I do. What's your favorite book?
Pride and Prejudice. Yours, Asmita?
Harry Potter. Do you like studying here?
Yes, it's great. Do you?
Yes, it's amazing. Would you like to be friends?
Yes, I would love to be friends.
Great. Let's help each other with English.
Definitely. Do you want to hang out sometime?
Yes, that would be fun. How about this weekend?
Sounds perfect.
Do you want to achieve your goals soon?
Yes, I hope so. Do you have a dream job?
Yes, being a software engineer. Yours, Amelia?
Being a civil engineer. Well, it's been great chatting.
Yes, it was fun. I look forward to our meetup.
Me too. See you on Saturday at 5 p.m.
Perfect. Bye, Amelia. See you soon.
Bye, Asmita. See you again.